Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today, join us as we embark on a tranquil journey into the depths of creativity, guided by the gentle strokes of Rosie's artistic vision. Behold the majestic oak, standing tall and proud, a silent guardian of the forest. With each deliberate movement of her pencil, Rosie brings forth the essence of nature onto her canvas, capturing the intricate details of every branch and leaf. As the drawing unfolds, we are transported to a serene realm where time stands still, and the only sound is the whisper of graphite against paper. With patience and precision, Rosie breathes life into her creation, infusing it with emotion and depth. Through her art, Rosie invites us to pause, to observe, and to appreciate the beauty that surrounds us. Each line tells a story, each shade evokes a feeling, inviting us to lose ourselves in the wonder of creation. In the quiet sanctuary of her studio, Rosie's creative spirit dances freely, weaving a tapestry of wonder and inspiration. With delicate precision, she brings her vision to life one stroke at a time, as if whispering secrets to the paper beneath her hand. As the drawing takes shape, we witness the harmony between artist and subject, a silent conversation between heart and hand. With each line, Rosie shares a piece of her soul, inviting us to join her on this intimate journey of expression and exploration. Join us again on Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where the beauty of the world unfolds through the eyes of an artist, and every moment is a canvas waiting to be filled with possibility. Until then, may your heart be your guide and may your dream take flight on wings of creativity. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. And thank you very much.